Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw in LibreOffice Writer. Now, there is a way for us to basically be able to make some simple shapes here in LibreOffice, and the way to do that is go to Insert, Shape, Line, and there is a freeform line here. So I'm going to click this one, and yeah, from here you can just basically go ahead and start drawing. So this is basically a freeform, so you have the option to be able to draw what you want. So say that for example. Now if I don't like that one, there is also an option here to have a line, still free form, but in this case it's going to be filled, like the center is going to be filled. I'm going to show you. So we're going to try to draw a cloud. So I'm going to go ahead. There you go. As you can see, oops, there we go. So as you can see, there are some things in the middle, right? And we can definitely go ahead and make some changes that. So let's go ahead and try to put blue on the edge, and then let's go ahead and make this, say for example, um, change the line here. You can definitely do that, and then go ahead and increase this a little bit. There you go. And yeah, once we've changed the line at the end, we can definitely head over here and then change or choose color. So we can definitely put some color in the middle, or we can also use gradient and then choose something that is somehow relevant to our drawing. So there you go. Let's go back to the line, and yep, now I'm done. So that's how easy it is to draw here in LibreOffice Writer.